The environment is everything around us: air, water, land, and living things. We are responsible for protecting it for ourselves and future generations. Preserving the environment means keeping nature clean, healthy, and safe. One simple way is by following the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. These small actions can reduce pollution and save natural resources.
Finally, we are here. So, it is important to take care of our nature.
So, it is our responsibility to take care of environment. Let's go.
Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk about the wonder of sustainability. Sustainability is about using resources wisely so that we can meet our needs today without harming the ability of future generations to meet theirs. The government should take proactive steps to encourage and educate the public on the importance of conserving trees for the health and sustainability of our environment.
The government should do an awareness campaign to educate the public on the importance of nature. The environment can ensure a healthy planet for next generation.
Sustainability boosts brand reputation by showing responsibility, transparency. Eco-friendly practice build trust and help brands stand out and grow.
The environment is the foundation of life. Clean air, fresh water, and a stable climate are essential for our health and survival. As teenagers, we may feel that environmental issues are too big for us to solve. But the truth is, we have an important role to play. It is our responsibility to keep the environment healthy, not only for ourselves but also for the future generations.